Hey guys, this is Phantom Thomas 31 and today I'm going to be showing you how to download PMX editor and how to use it to fix missing textures in MMD. So what you want to do is you want to go to a site called learnmmd .com/downloads. Once there, scroll down until you find the category additional software. You'll see downloaded English version of PMX/PMD editor. You can click this one or this one. Either one you click, it'll take you to a page that'll provide links to download it. So once you download it, what you need is a model that you need to fix. And just open it. Yeah, so once you open it, it should come up looking like this. So we'll just full screen that for easier viewing. We click open. Alright, now that you've got into your files, you go and find the model. I usually put my models in a folder so that I can access them easily. So for this episode, for this video, we're gonna fix Gordon. So we'll just open one of the models that are in the folder. Basically for MMD, or PMX editor, it's just like opening a file for MMD, but you're not opening it for MMD, you're opening it for this thing. And what do you know, Gordon's solid black. Actually, maybe this model's supposed to look like that, so I'll see if I can open a different model, because usually if it's black, when it comes up, it's supposed to be black. Alright, here's a Gordon model. This one's faceless, but eh. So, what I prefer to do is click this and make those dots go away, because they can be kind of distracting, but you don't have to do that. But what you need to do is you need to click this option that's green right here. Click it until your model gets covered in green dots. Then you want to click Vert Matte and then click Material. The dots will go away, and then you'll want to start clicking these check marks until you find a part of the model that is not, or that is lit up in the green dots but is not colored. So right here we got the splashers and various other parts of Gordon that are lit up but they're not colored. And this is checkbox number 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to this little window, click Material, click 1, and this name right here, you want to select that and click Copy, or right click and copy. Now go into your files and find the model that you're currently working on. So I'm working on Gordon, and right here. So the part that's missing on Gordon is blue. So we're going to find the file that is just completely blue, and we're going to rename it. Once you delete the current file name, right click and click paste, and then delete .png, and then push enter. So it'll look like that. Now to make sure that you've done this correctly, I just go in and reopen the model completely. And it looks like it worked. Now I'll show another example to just see if you guys got it. Right here, this right here looks okay. His whistle is okay. His other whistle part is okay. Aha, the boiler. Alright, so the boiler is checkmark number 5. So we'll go back in here and click 5. Then we'll highlight, right click, and copy this. And then we'll go in here and we'll find the part that looks like the boiler lining. We click it, right click, rename, backspace, right click, paste, and delete .png. Then push enter. And then to make sure we did this correctly, we click open. And then we go in and check the model. And just like that, we've done it correctly. Now, I think you guys know how to do the rest, so I'll be right back with a fully colored model. And now, after all of that, you have a perfectly fixed model. Now, if your model has like overlays, kind of like this Gordon has, they won't appear in MMD, because it happened once with the C11 Thomas that I have, and in MMD, the overlay didn't happen. But you're probably thinking, I don't want a faceless Gordon, I want a fixed Gordon with a face. Well, if your model's files have the same names as each other, then all the models in the folder will also be fixed. See, faced Gordon is just fine. But what about that other Gordon? Didn't know there was a need for a black livery Gordon. Yeah, I think this Gordon was just a bonus Gordon. I don't know what he's supposed to represent. But anyways, let's see what our models look like in MMD. So now we are in MMD, and now we have to go find the model. So we go back to our folder, wherever it is, there it is. And we go open them up. And there it is. So that, guys, is how you fix a MMD model using PMX editor. I hope you enjoyed, and I may make more tutorials like this in the future. Probably a tutorial on how to actually animate. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.